engraving. It was very, look, it definitely does look like some letters. So what are the chances I was in time for? It's like, obviously, a lot of people carve their names and things, but like, this isn't a very populated area. The fact that we found random log of people's names on it, it's pretty special. So, you guys have a good life. Dude, we should carve our names into something. But that'd be gay, but we'd have like one below the other, and there'd just be like two adventurer pals until the end or something. It's kind of weird, but you get that. Need to get a pocket knife. There are like no rocks here beside. Yeah. Pretty actually strange. You got that pinkish rock. So give me that rock. See how much? Oh, I mean, yeah, it's just not worth their time. Because the lumberjack. No, it's because Sasquatch man. Not the Sasquatch man. He's a bred between. Look at that. What? It's a newspaper, or is it a? No, it's just a root. Kind of had like a sheen of a newspaper. No, it's just a root of that here tree. Right. We're just literally crawling to it. We're completely pale and scratched up head to toe. With a highly indented stomach, with our ribs so precisely shown, and then like, and then we die. And they're trying to say we found it. It's like you get the water phone, we're about to cover our hands to get some water. As soon as that happens, we fall into it, and then we just die with the water splashing on our heads. And then people think that we drowned, when really we just died of exhaustion. Sticks and stuff. Yeah, dude, this is a pretty nice pogger's path, if you will. Damn, look at this. That was a weird one. Yeah, we could definitely just like slide down this entire thing, so be careful. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
The big scrape, I don't even guess I cut myself bad. Like all these little cuts, they're fine, like they're long, but then I have this. Yeah, because it obviously, yeah, it's not like one big cut. Yeah, right here.
I think it's just a deep, small cut.
Yeah, it's a deep, small cut, and then the blood ran down my leg.
Like, how ashy my hairs are.
Yeah, jeez, you look like you just aged 6 years. Or that. Dude, that looks so gnarly just because the blood dripped down.
It's so gnarly, dude.
So gnarly.
You just peel off some of the blood.
Yeah, it's you can like literally you can peel off some of the blood. Bro, you can peel off. Yeah. You can't let anything go to waste. So it's yeah, the cut is right there. So everything below it is just dried blood. And that's only if I had AIDS. No. Because my mom does not have them, nor have I ever had any sexual contact with anyone. So, no, I think straight people can get it too, just through normal sex. But you can't get it as a gay man. That's why it's associated. If you can't get, and maybe you can only do it, or maybe that's how it originated. I don't know, but I do know that. Yeah, that is how. Yeah, it wasn't. Alright. Yeah, so there's that. Yeah, it would be like chimpanzees or. Dude, actually, humans have been found to have the same pubic lice as gorillas. Yes, that is a thing, and some people have the same pubic lice as gorillas, implying that when you're a younger species, we would have sexual contact with gorillas. I'm getting jiggy with it. Yeah, it's getting louder, means we're getting closer. Oh yeah, this is what it's named after. I don't know if this, there is one specific mouthful that's named after, so I don't know if it's this one. Yeah. This is the one that everyone knows and it's loudest in the movie, so. Dude, I have to freaking take a piss. I'm not actually gonna take a piss. I can wait. Dude, pee in one of those snake holes. No, I'm saying like, I'm not, alright, that wasn't meant to be like a command. Dude, check this out. It's kind of weird, because just this big overhang where there's the log. Yeah, probably, so I could get bitten and get rabies. Now it's all muddy and interesting. This water is trapped there, and because it blocks all sunlight, it doesn't get any warmth, so thus it cannot evaporate. It stays there, and it gets into the dirt, and thus it is muddy. Well, dude, that is freaking extreme. Stuff on video and we can get fined and arrested for it, but whatever. Hopefully no one will contact the police, or no policeman will see this video. Yeah, that is a thorn bush. It will cut me bad and it will hurt, and then I'll be like, alright. Alright, had to give landscaping kind of misty. Alright. Yeah, so there's still snow. Wait. Whoa, dude, I'm gonna get video of that, so don't stop on it quite yet. stomp on it because I want it to be mostly in. Yes. Oh, yeah, okay. Where's the camera? Or do you think? No. No, I don't think so. If it was a camera, it'd just be, yeah. No, that's not a weird looking camera. No. 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 Alright. Hi. Alright. Look, we got the original little waterfall. Super tiny.
Nice.
Yeah, it has nothing supporting it on that area, so it's just fairly strong to withstand a lot. Thicker than a ship. Yep. Yeah. Pixar moments really got that. Alright, pull it up with me. Alright, and let it fall. What?
Oh my god.
It is slippery. Alright, I'm gonna try to bounce on it, even though I can slip, fall, hit my head on the ice, etc. A concussion, not be able to experience anything meaningful anymore, but yeah, this is something out of like Antarctica.
This is Sparta!
Damn. Oh, I got it. I just, it's literally just nothing. Dude, look at that. Look at how it just twinkles.
Never stop twinkling.
But I don't think that's a camera. And if so, it'd be directed like still. It wouldn't get any further than the platform it's on. Dude, I actually, okay, I mean that's a good idea. Alright, that's obviously locked because they're not supposed to be in here. Oh. See, now this is partially the snow footage I've been looking for. Alright, hey Caleb. Going into the snow. That they stay more or less together. it could go. No. Obviously, it can go in your skin really deep and cause an infection in your hair. Yeah, but still, dude. No, but if you're gonna do it, you're. When you're too dummy. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, dude. This is a new way to find it, bro. Alright, now we have the treacherous rocks. Little room for error. Because your freaking legs can fall through one of these holes and you can sprain your ankle, break your knees, scrape it. Oh, wazoo.